it's Beverly. I'm back. I wanted to do a video of me packing some orders for my Etsy shop. I've had this shop open for a few months now and it's been going really well. So I sell diamond painting release paper. Really cute release paper, if I may say so myself. And I also sell cover minders. So here's some of the cover minders that I do have in my store. Not all of them. And they are custom made with a press as well. So this is Diannas Order. Here she ordered some release paper. So when you order release paper from me, you'll get them in these big giant sheets, and then all you have to do is cut them with scissors or with a paper cutter, and you can cut them down to whatever size you want. I usually just cut them into fours, and then you end up with paper like this size. This one's my favorite. It says too busy diamond painting to care. Yeah, that's my favorite. So Dianne ordered this really pretty leaf pattern. Diamond painting addict. Some diamonds. And that's it. So let's package up her order. When you do order from me, it will come on a backing. A chipboard backing so they don't get wrecked in transit. You will get one of these thank you cards and a free sheet of stickers. I just picked them at random, but if you guys want to see which stickers I do give out, so you do have a chance at getting any of these sticker sheets. I would have to say my favorite are these cats. They're so silly. So let's give Dianne those cats. So thank you. And then they'll also come wrapped in, is it a cello bag, a plastic sleeve, whatever you want to call it. Ooh. There's the plastic sleeve. We'll take this off the back. I just put lotion on my hands, so they're kind of slippery. Probably not the best thing to do before filming a video. We'll put a thank you sticker on it. And there's Dianne's order, all ready for her. Well, I have to put an envelope still, but I'm just gonna go like this so that we know that this is her order when we do put them in envelopes. Then let's move on to Pauline's order. Paulina, this is your order. So she ordered what I like to call forest friends. If you want to take a close-up look at that. It's so cute. So there's a little squirrel, a fox, some mushrooms, some flowers, an acorn, a raccoon, and an owl, and like a leaf. Very fall feeling, but I just named it Forest Friends because, I don't know, these would be your friends if you were in the forest. So we'll back it with some chipboard. We will get a thank you card. And she will get these cute narwhal stickers. Put that in a plastic sleeve. Release papers, if you didn't know, are a great alternative to the clear covers that come on poured glue diamond paintings. Some people just prefer using opaque release paper versus the clear. It's also easier for you to section out your painting as well. If you wanted to do that, you can use the opaque papers to do so. And I just was like really bored with the plain ones that come when you order a double-sided adhesive canvas, so I was like, you know what, there has to be a cuter alternative for people. This is why I started making cute opaque release covers. I'm going to put a thank you sticker. There's Pauline's Order, all ready for her. Next up we have Marlene B's Order. She ordered 4 sheets of this diamond. They're blue if you can't tell on camera. They're light blue. 4 sheets of that, and then she also ordered a cover minder, which was the Diamond Painting Addict one. So this is a diamond painting cover minder. This is the back of it, so you'll get a magnet like that on the back, but then you'll also get a magnet, one of those hardcore industrial ones, like this. So we'll put that in with her thank you card, right over the lightning bolt. And there's her cover minder. And she will get, looks like she's gonna get Hello Kitty stickers. Use some chipboard. Oop. There is, slide that in there. That off. Thank you sticker. Next up is Veronica's Order. So she ordered the cute hearts. This is one of my favorites, the one that I personally use. Some pink diamonds, some of those snazzy leaves, and some of these flowers. The yellow flowers are really cute, I think personally. So Veronica, you're getting those. Get a thank you, and you are also getting unicorn stickers. Those are also one of my favorites. Get some chipboard. Why is life so difficult? Must rip. There we go. Thank you sticker. Last one on this slide, on this page. Veronica. Next up we have Tina's Order. She ordered 10 sheets of just the diamonds. These are really pretty. They're like a purpley pink color. Probably hard to see on camera, but that's okay. So Tina, you get that. We'll throw in a thank you, and you will get the space cats. So adorable. Space cats, space cats. Some chipboard. Down in here. Can't forget to thank you for your order sticker. And that's Tina's order. And lastly, we have Christina H's order. She ordered 20 sheets of the Fall Friends. Get rid of the little slices of paper on the edge. So there is her order. Just make sure we clean it up a bit. She gets a thank you card, and she's gonna get the narwhal sticker. Chipboard. you do hear some moving in the background, my boyfriend is currently rearranging our living room. So that is what you are hearing. Oh, now he's washing the floor, sorry. So Christina, this is your order. Don't forget the thank you sticker. That's it. Oops. So those are our orders for today. If you want to take a look at the other cover reminders I do have, I tried to use things that like diamond painters would say, like pork glue makes me happy, diamond painting addict, more drills less trash, too busy diamond painting to care, so much confetti. There's those, and then I also have, but not that one. But what's the DMC? So for those of you who collect diamond painting or collect the drills, what's the DMC code? And those are just some of the fun diamond painting cover reminders you'll find in my shop. If you do want to check it out, it's momob.etsy.com. There's a link in the description below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more of me doing packing orders, let me know. I know that the lady from DIY Moon Shop films all her orders that she packs, so I don't know if that's interesting to you or if this was boring. Hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers right now. I think I'm sitting at 66, so please hit the subscribe button and you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos and we can be friends. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.